Hello, welcome to my channel. On this channel, mathematics is fun and super easy. Let's see the question we have on the board. We have solve for x, and the question is root x plus x equals to 2. So let's begin with solution. Now to solve for x, the first thing we are going to do is to move this x to this side of the equation. So you're going to have x is now equal to 2. When plus x crosses over, it becomes minus x. Minus x. Okay, so what's the next thing to do? We have to square both sides. The reason we are squaring both sides is to remove this square root. So square both sides. So now we are going to have x square is now equals to root x square is now equals to 2 minus x all squared. So these two will cancel the root, and we are now left with just x equal to, this can be written as 2 minus x multiplied by 2 minus x. Okay, so now note that if we have a minus b multiplied by a minus b, this will give us, when we multiply through, you're going to have a square minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so this 2 represents our a, and the x represents our b. All right, so now we are going to have x, okay, is now equal to, we take this represents our a, so we are going to have 2 squared 2ab. So this will be minus 2 times 2 times x, okay, plus x squared. So I have applied this here, so I can wipe this off. So let's simplify further. So here I have x is now equal to 4. 2 squared is 4. 2 times 2 minus 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times x is 4x. 4x plus x squared. But now I want to rearrange this equation. So I'm going to take x to this side of the equation. So if I take x from here, this equation will be, here we are going to be left with 0. So we're going to have 0 is now equal to 4 minus x. I brought this x over. So this, it was plus x here. Now it is minus x minus 4x plus x squared. I still want to rearrange my equation again. Let me bring my x squared to this side so that everything will be equal to 0, right? So now I have my x squared, okay, taken from here, minus 4x minus x plus 4 is now equal to 0. Now the next thing to do is to factorize in pairs, okay? So between these and these, what is common? X is common between these two. So here I'm going to have x. So x squared divided by x, we'll be left with x, okay, minus 4x divided by x is 4. And then we come here, bring down our sign. So what is common between this and this? It is 1. Okay, so we are going to have x divided by minus x divided by minus 1. We're going to have x plus 4 divided by minus 1. We're going to have minus 4, and all is equal to 0. Okay, so you're going to have x minus 1, x minus 4 equals 0. So this is going to give us x is now equal to 1, or x is equal to 4. So we have two values for x, but we have to test to be sure which of this value is the real value of x. So we are going to plug in this value into the original equation and see if it will be equal to 2. So let's do that here, over here. So I'll bring back my question. So this is root x plus x equals to 2. So let's try with the first value of x. So here, wherever I see x, I'm going to put 1. Okay, I'll plug in 1. So I'm going to have root 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So root 1 is 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2. So the first value of x is correct. So let's try with the second value of x. So we're going to have, for root x, we're going to have root 4, okay, plus 4 equals to 2. So root 4 is 2 plus 4. Is this equal to 2? No. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 is not equal to 2. So the second value of x is not the real value of x. So for this question, the value of x is plus 1. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time here, do not fail to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever a new video is posted on this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I am glad to have you back. I will see you in my next video. Bye.